For more information, visit our website from the description.
If you buy an AC with a lower than required capacity measured in tonnage, it will consume a lot more energy to provide the requisite cooling. Lower capacity units may save you on capital cost, but it will increase the electricity consumption and also decrease the lifespan of the device, says Varun Gupta, partner, Cool Services, a Mumbai-based AC service provider. If you buy an AC with a higher than required capacity, you will end up paying more for the purchase, besides getting large power bills. Getting the tonnage right is key to getting the most bang for your buck. Here's how you can arrive at the right AC capacity for you and enjoy a cool summer at no extra costs. First, find out the area of your room. The decision should mainly be based on your usage pattern. If you are going to run the AC for a few hours daily, then a 3-star rated AC is good enough, says Chunk. Also, lower star rated ACs usually have higher air circulation rate, so your room cools faster. Experts suggest that only if your AC usage is over 8 hours do you need the costlier but less power-consuming 5-star rated AC to make a worthwhile difference to your electricity bill. After-sales service: much like cars, ACs need regular servicing for optimum performance. So, one of the things you need to keep in mind before buying an AC is the company's after-sales service and warranty. A little research will throw up names of the best and the worst service providers. Choose appropriately,